Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl CurlyBae, and I'm back with you again with more foolishness. Anyways, so today I'm gonna go ahead and take you from Kodak Black to completely bodacious. So this is just a continuation of me stretching out my hair, and I'll go ahead and show you how I get some romantic waves on the fly. So, let's go. So first I'm going to start by sectioning off my stretched out clean hair. Oh guys, these clips are heavenly. As well as I'm going to go ahead and use my Mielle leave-in conditioner, which I also got from Sally's, which was half off. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush it through with my Denman brush to make sure that my ends are smooth, because your hair needs to be super smooth when doing this style. Then you're gonna go ahead and start bantuing. So I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do, because you can't see this and it's completely pointless. But stay tuned, I'm definitely gonna show you guys how I get the Bantu. Actually, these Bantus were my struggle Bantus, so we can just go ahead and see, look how ugly this one is. So we're just gonna go ahead and go through the rest. I will go ahead and do this one back over because it looks a little crazy, but I like to do this method. I know I've seen a lot of other YouTubers kind of keep it flat, but not do it too tight but not too loose. It kind of just works out. So you're gonna go ahead and take a look. I try to make sure I kind of do it tight at the beginning, and then I loosely bantu it, just kind of twist it around, rope it around. And instead of going up like I see many YouTubers do, I kind of just bantu it below, underneath each other, and then I smooth out the ends and tuck it down with a bobby pin. So I'll go ahead and show you again in the front so you can see what I'm doing. The front is definitely much more smoother. And I just kind of coil it around town. This is like the easiest style, the easiest, and it takes up the least amount of time. The only thing that I would worry about is drying time, but that's why I start with dry hair. You want to use as minimal product as possible, because if you use too much, then your hair will start to revert back and it would destroy the style. And just make sure your ends are completely smooth. So guys, if you haven't seen my last video on how I get my hair so smooth, go ahead and check it out. I will leave the link down below. Alright guys, so don't come for me, but I actually did not part my hair anywhere else but the middle on purpose, because I didn't want it to have any weird parts that I had to manipulate, and then that could cause even more frizz when I'm taking it down. So just be cautious. So now that I'm finished with my hair, this is the final product. You can rock it if you actually parted it, but I'm not gonna rock this out in public, for real. Right now I'm just gonna look like Kodak Black in my house, and I will take this out later. So finally, the takedown process. So what you're gonna do is take out the bobby pin, of course, and then unscrew it like you're actually screwing off a bottle top. A bottle top? Does that make sense? Yeah. And then I only separate mine like once or twice, not too much, because I don't want too much frizz. And I did notice when I was taking it down that a couple of them were still wet, or some of them had a little bit too much product. They kind of just stuck. But it still came out cute. I actually over separated a few, which I totally regret because my style would have actually lasted longer than 3 days. This product is the business. It literally does what it says and then some. Shout out to you, Mielle, or Mielle. And here's the final product. I do have some frizz. I'm so upset about that, but see my final thoughts. Okay, guys. It's so soft. Like, it is so soft. You can like run your fingers through it. It's like so cute. But oh, I'm so mad. I messed it up. I messed it up. This product right here is definitely CurlyBae approved. I would be glad to be checking out more from this line. I suggest you buy it from Sally's rather than Target because Target never got shit on sale. Yeah, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Oh, shout out to the comment winner. Okay guys, so I got sick and tired of the blurriness. Sorry about that. But this is what my hair did look like. And I did kind of get a little bit frizzy, but it still looked amazing. It lasted for about 3 days until I got it wet in the rain. So hopefully you guys are able to try this style out because it definitely made me feel like a brand new woman. Okay? And shout out to Rihanna for this damn lipstick, okay? The lip stunner. I love you guys so much. And remember to dream big, take chances, and never stop learning. And if you like this video, go ahead and comment down below your favorite styling product. And I'll see you next time. Besos.